The HotLogic Mini Personal Portable Oven is simple to use. Place your meal in the HotLogic Mini, zip it up, and plug it in. There are no buttons to push or controls to adjust. For the next 60 to 120 minutes, the HotLogic Mini cooks your meal, then adjusts the heating element to hold your meal at a perfect serving temperature until you are ready to eat. When lunchtime rolls around, grab your HotLogic Mini and enjoy a perfectly cooked hot meal right away. To clean the HotLogic Mini, unplug it and allow it to cool completely. Wipe the container and heating element with a soft, damp cloth sprayed with a mild soap. Never use harsh or abrasive cleansers, and never spray cleansers directly on any surface of the HotLogic Mini. The heating element should never be submerged underwater and is not dishwasher safe. The HotLogic Mini Personal Portable Oven uses a standard 2-prong power cord and can be plugged into any 120-volt outlet. It is extremely energy efficient, costing only about a penny to heat a meal to serving temperature. Use it at home, at work, in the car, or at the campground to have a hot meal ready when you are.
Small appliances, big ideas, Chefman.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered.